Good morning, friends. Today I am going to talk about how to avoid mental conflicts and how to develop a universal love for everyone. You see that in morning a sun is illuminating the entire sky. But what is the reason? Sometimes it has been covered, and the sun's rays, which can spread across all the regions, is covered by dark clouds. When the dark clouds are covering the sun, you cannot see the brightness. The same sun which can illuminate the entire sky now cannot illuminate because it is being covered by the black color clouds. Similarly, for a person whose mind is completely covered by ignorance and desires, any amount of hardship, any amount of meditation, or any amount of labor he does for the spiritual enlightenment cannot help such kind of a person whose mind is covered by ignorance and desires. This is told in Bhagavad Gita. So let us take a metaphor, friends. Everyone goes to office every day in the morning, and every day people are in a hurry to reach the office on time. And let us see a situation wherein you are also driving the car and trying to go to the office and reach the office on time. And you are speeding your car one after the other. You know, bumper to bumper traffic is always there in the city. The similar kind of situation is happening with you, and you are driving the car in the middle of the traffic. And you see, people are negotiating in the traffic and trying to move ahead of you. And it happens a situation wherein one car is overtaking you, and by one of the reasons, the car has hit you on the side. And you became completely angry. Arey, somebody has hit my car and now I have to react in a very bad way. And you now get out of the car and you shout bad words and you go and catch that person of the car and try to pull him off. And when you go out of your car and you are trying to pull the person out of the car and try to utter all the ugly words, you come to see suddenly that he is none other than your own brother. What you will do when your own brother has hit your car? You'll feel as if you immediately, the perception of anger changes and you become quiet and you become normal. And you start giving him advice. Arey, how come you have hit my car? And what is the situation? And you'll tell to ignore it and you'll try to avoid that situation. Immediately, there is a tenderness of love which develops for your own brother when he is hitting your own car. This happens, friends. I have seen it. So, but if he is the same person, he is a different person. Your anger is on the top of your head, and you shout all the ugly words which you have learned so far. So, but what I am talking about, when you see your own brother, and when you have to react, what you will do? You will talk with tenderness. You talk with love. You talk with care. You talk with all the things which have happened and you forget the scratches which has happened to your car. Why this is happening? Because you have this overflowing love for your brother. But the same love is not carrying for the other human beings who are surrounding you. So Gita is talking about the same situation, about implementing this overflowing love for the other human beings who are there. So there are three qualities which a devotee must possess, which Gita talks about. That is called universal love. So one of the main qualities is talk about is Adveshta Sarva Bhutanam. It means that one person should carry the universal love for all human beings. This is the one quality of a yogi. This is the quality of all the yogas which are described in Bhagavad Gita. If you are carrying the universal love for all the human beings, then I think Gita, you have read the essence of Gita. Now one of the most beautiful qualities which Gita says about a devotee is one should have the love for the feet of God. One should have the company of holy devotees. And one should have the limitless and disinterested love for all human beings. So the last quality is the foremost quality which is described in the Gita. And if you possess the disinterested love and limitless love for your fellow human beings, then I think you have succeeded in addressing the quality which is there within you. So once you have implemented this quality of universal love, which is disinterested love also, then I think you have implemented Bhagavad Gita in your life. So by developing a universal love, you avoid conflicts with other human beings. So let us talk once again about developing this quality and develop this quality within us, and we'll speak about Bhagavad Gita in our next episodes. Thank you very much. This is Umakant Reddy, your spiritual coach and mentor. Thank you very much, friends.